Hey there, do you ever think about how clean your bottle is? Oof, apparently it's not as clean as you thought. That's biocontamination. It's coming straight out of the tap and building up from our backwash with every sip. And it smells pretty funky, huh? I bet it doesn't taste as fresh either. Even washing every day isn't enough, because studies show it starts going off from the first sip of the day. Or meet Nuvo, the water purifier that lives inside your water bottle. Using it is simple. Tape the magnetic anchor to the middle of your bottle, drop in the pod, and every time you refill, shake till you hear the beep. Nuvo is now purifying your water and cleaning your bottle. It has 3 powerful UVC LEDs that purify water by neutralizing biocontaminants. UVC neutralizes and stops it from growing by breaking down DNA. It's pretty neat, huh? UVC is now regularly used in hospitals, aircraft, trains, and many other industries for sanitization, and we have miniaturized this to fit inside a water bottle. It's done. Clean, fresh water all the time. And you know what else is cool? You can use it with your own favorite water bottle. Nuvo lives inside your bottle all the time, constantly cleaning and making sure you're drinking the freshest tasting water day in, day out. And you're not locked in. You've got flexibility to move Nuvo with more magnetic anchors. Traveling, hiking, activate Deep Clean, our most powerful cleaning cycle, so you can drink with confidence anywhere. And it doesn't stop there. Why not upgrade your filtered water pitcher, or your water jug, or your fridge? Because we all need fresh water all the time. And with an additional Nuvo, upgrade any metal tin and use it to clean, well, anything. Your phone, keys, face mask. So, Nuvo, your personal UVC sanitizer, giving you pure, fresh water and a clean bottle all day long. But hang on, there's one more thing. We've been looking at water bottles all year long, and we said, you know what, we can do it better. Our range is designed to enhance Nuvo's water purification efficiency thanks to highly reflective internal surfaces and medical grade stainless steel. It's got the magnetic anchor built right in. You can choose between our insulated bottle or our non-insulated increased capacity design, and comes in a great variety of colours. Nuvo, water purification for your bottle.